doing this on my own, I might have got 79, 80. But perfect 90, LA has a great role to play. And few tips, as I mentioned, is the strategies. That is the result of thorough research done by you guys. Without research, those strategies are not possible. The templates and the regular update of templates, what PT is expecting.
Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a great day. I've got Jatin, one of our online students from Dubai, 90 in speaking, 90 in reading, 90 listening, 90 writing, everything on his scorecard is 90. Congratulations, Jatin. Very well done. What an amazing score.
Thank you, Varun. Thanks a lot. And my big thank to entire LA Academy and teachers for providing me this support and for making me capable of achieving this score, I would say.
Um, 90 is a dream score. You have done it studying online. What do you think is the most important thing when it comes to scoring 90? Because there are a lot of students who have been putting a lot of effort practicing, not really sure where they're going wrong. What do you think is the most important factor when it comes to scoring 90?
So I will start with this, the most used phrase in PTE, which LA has taught me that I'm very happy today. you know, so the so the great part is I will break this journey into three stages. One is the strategies and hacks. If you can do the studies on your own, but the strategies and hacks which LA is providing, are these possible on your own? Answer is no. And that hacks and strategies are the result of lot of research, I believe. Probably teachers and Varun yourself have given many tests, and you could identify some of the things which are very important. Maybe example, I'm giving an example like read aloud. It is very difficult to score 100 out of or 90 out of 19 read aloud, but the one line strategy, how somebody will get to know if they are reading on their own or something.
Yeah,
And I'm sure if a person is reasonably okay to speak, one line strategy gives him full mark.
yeah,
It's kind of,
yeah,
and similarly, uh, again and again, the stress is put on various elements like write from dictation,
yeah.
adding some bit of words which gives you full scores. Similarly, the best templates what you guys provide and all, that helps you to achieve maximum score. This was about the strategies. The second part I would talk about are the resources. Your tool is very much aligned with the real exam like situation. Secondly, I would say the mocks and updated templates are kind of provide a reasonable level of difficulty to you.
Yes.
If you are thorough in your mocks and all, then I think exam situation becomes very easy for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, and my the third point was about teachers. Their commitment, dedication level is extreme. I would say they are very thorough. They give their full energy and passion to the students. An important part is the regular check-ins with the students, right? How are you doing? Is the practice going well? These things matters a lot. And it's not only about giving the technical knowledge to the student,
Yeah.
but rather making a personal connect with the students, which make them comfortable. And I
Correct.
was in regular touch with Aman ma'am, Tamanna ma'am, Vishika ma'am, Mega ma'am, and many other teachers. So they helped me whenever I asked, they were available for any kind of support. So this was very important. And the last and not the least one I would say is your hard work and focus.
Correct.
All these things will work if you are committed.
100%.
You are using LA is providing you tools, strategies, resources, but that will only work when you are focused, you are committed to
Correct.
get benefit out of them. All these things help me to achieve the desired scores and all.
Yeah, that's completely correct. You have summarized what PT actually looks like. And I emphasize on this thing every time that we will not give you a magic solution which will get you the scores. We will help you and guide you in the right direction, but you have to put in the hard work. It's not that we give you something and you don't do anything, it's not gonna work. You do 80% of the work, we do 20% of the work, and collaboratively we get the scores. So if Jatin has scored, it's not just because of us, it's because of his hard work, and the direction we showed to him has helped him to get a perfect 90. As he has mentioned, taking the mock test very important, and most importantly, taking the feedback from tutors is extremely important, which will actually help you know where you're going wrong, how you have to improve, and how you have to get your desired scores. Jatin, studying online can sound a bit difficult sometimes. How was your experience studying online?
Uh, Varun, I think it's a very straightforward method now. After COVID, we are used to all kind of these online meetings, office work, and I think it gives a lot of flexibility. I'm sitting in Dubai. Can I take the live classes or off the campus classes? That's not possible. And I'll tell you my thing. I have 8 to 6 job right in the morning.
Hmm.
Dubai is 7 hours behind the Sydney time. My first class was at 4:30. I was waking up at
Wow.
quarter to 4, 4:30. I was attending the class till 6 o'clock, 6:30. Then I was getting ready and then going to office. So
Wow.
when you have that level of mindset, and I registered only for a month and I utilized maximum to that, in a
Wow.
month. Yes, first week strategy classes, then next week practice classes. 2 to 3 weeks I did practice classes, and I was not able to use the grammar classes because office was busy. So
Yes.
what I did is I asked for a recorded lessons
Hmm.
and utilized to the best. Actually, I wrote a mail to Tamanna ma'am or message to Tamanna ma'am to send me the recorded stuff or some PDFs and all. So wherever possible, I kind of use that, you
Wow.
know.
That's amazing. This is the level of dedication. That's what I was talking about. You do 80% of the work. You have to put in the effort. You have to be consistent. You have to show the dedication and commitment. Waking up quarter to four is all about your mindset, honestly. Not everyone can do it, but those who get out of their comfort zone are the ones who achieve a perfect 90 in their PT test. Congratulations once again, Jatin. Very well done. Super proud of you.
Thank you, Varun. Thank you. And again, a few words I will say. As I say, had I been doing this on my own, I might have got 79, 80. But perfect 90, LA has a great role to play. And few tips, as I mentioned, is the strategies. That is the result of thorough research done by you guys. Without research, those strategies are not possible. The templates and the regular update of templates, what PT is expecting, kind of, when you guys pass on those templates to student, you align that student get maximum marks out of that,
Yeah.
even in the essay writing and all. When PT is changing the styles, the latest template you have given, if problems are asked, you need to refer about problem.
Yeah.
If effects and causes are asked, you need to talk about the effects and causes. And then most of the, I think, candidates face problem in reading, and your recorded videos yourself are very important, that especially from I would say reorders. You
Yes.
have briefly mentioned that and very beautifully mentioned that. Find out an independent sentence,
Yes.
see what next information should be given. Those matters are very, very important, and
Yeah.
I think it would be incorrect to say that I got 90 on my own effort. Yeah, there is an effort, as you say, 80% effort, but still 20% is a great role which is played by LA and the teachers, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Guys, what I take out from his journey is that you need to make sure you prepare yourself mentally first and then start your PT journey. Just starting your PT journey and then attending one class out of 10 sessions or 10 classes is not going to help you. You make up your mind 1 month, I have to get it done, be regular, be consistent, ask for feedback, make sure you take regular mock tests and commit yourself to success, and you will get your desired scores. If he has done it, if I have done it, thousands of students are doing it every day. You can do it as well. Just make sure you work hard and work smart in the right direction under the right guidance, and success will be yours. That's it from this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, and make sure you do not give up. Keep on practicing.